So here we are, another weekly update, and this time I've got no weight loss to report. I didn't gain, but I didn't lose either. And yeah, that stung a little. Because when you're doing the work, showing up, tracking your meals, hitting your goals, it's hard not to expect results. But I'm not quitting. Not even close, because I made a decision early on. This isn't just about dropping weight. It's about becoming the man I know I'm meant to be. Even if the scale didn't move, I've been building discipline, confidence, and clarity every single day. I'm keeping promises to myself. I'm showing up on camera more confidently. And most importantly, I'm showing up for others. People have been reaching out, telling me how this journey has helped them reset, refocus, and rethink their goals. That's the part no one sees coming. But that's the part that drives me. And you know what else I realized this week? My clothes are fitting better. The scale didn't budge, but my body did. I'm losing fat and I'm gaining muscle because I've been more physically active, more consistent, and more intentional. So no, the number didn't drop, but the transformation is still happening. Now, I promised I'd be honest on this journey, not just about the weight, but about me, who I am, where I come from, because I didn't get here with some fancy degree or a silver spoon. I didn't graduate high school. I come from childhood trauma, from being told I'd never amount to anything, from a world that tried to convince me I wasn't good enough before I ever had a chance to try. And even after building multi-million-dollar businesses from scratch, even after coaching others to scale and succeed, there were moments I still felt like a fraud. Like someone was going to find out I didn't belong. That's what I wrote about this week in my newest article. Why high achievers still feel like frauds and how to fix it. It's raw, it's personal. And I wrote it for the people who keep pushing, keep grinding, and still secretly feel like they're not enough. Because I've been there. And I've learned that you don't outwork that voice in your head. You outgrow it with action, with consistency, with identity. I want you to know who I am, not just what I've done. Because I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to help you. I'm here to walk with people through the hard stuff, to help you face the doubts, the setbacks, the plateaus, whether it's in your body, your business, or your mindset. I don't care what your version of success looks like. I just want to help you get there. That's why I keep showing up, even on the weeks where the scale says nothing changed. Because I know deep down, everything is changing. So if you've ever doubted yourself, if you've ever felt like a fraud, even after a win, if you've ever questioned whether you were good enough to keep going, you're not alone. You're not broken. You're just growing. The article drops tomorrow on LinkedIn. Read it. It might help you see yourself differently. And if you're on this journey with me, don't quit. We're building more than a body. We're building belief. Master yourself, master your success.